Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to get into some charts and let's just get right into it. So I'm going to cover a bunch. The first one is Facebook, and I want to point out Facebook to me looks like a falling wedge here. Okay, this is an overall bull trend here for Facebook, and I'm going to go over this falling wedge right here. There's the bottom side of that falling wedge. Here's the top side of the falling wedge, and we had a big dip here on Facebook, big dip. And Facebook, if you back it up here, let's see if we want to go back all the way back here, you can see this is in a major uptrend, and we're right here at this uptrend line. All right, you see that it started there, there's a hit, bounce right there, almost hit it here, and here we are once again at this trend line. Okay, so we've had dips before, lots of dips before, even before this 5-year period. Okay, going back even further than 5 years, the trend line even goes back even further. Okay, but we're right here at this trend line. You got to give the benefit of the doubt to that trend line. All right, so we're right here at that trend line, got the falling wedge. I think most likely it gets a bounce pretty much right from where we're at right now. I think that it's going to get a bounce right from where we're at. If it breaks much lower than about 150, then I would say that this setup is kind of broken. So 150 is that level that you want Facebook to hold on a long-term basis. The next one we're going to take a look at is Twitter. And Twitter here is at a nice little level, and kind of similar setup to Facebook, has a little bit of a falling wedge look to it as well. There's the bottom side, and you can see today I believe we kind of broke out of that little range. I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see a better picture. So here's the bottom side of that falling wedge. Here's the top side right here. We broke over that little trend line. We also broke over the previous last week's highs right there. So we came into that similar level here last week, several days, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday hit a little bit, and the Friday before hit it right over there. You can even extend that line right there. We broke over that resistance today. So I think that we could be looking at a nice little pop here for Twitter. As far as targets, I would be targeting first conservative target right around here, right around just shy of 32, right around $32 based off of that previous support that we saw for a few weeks in a row right there. So that's my thoughts on Twitter. The next one we're going to take a look at is Netflix. And Netflix, I want to back it up just a little bit. So Netflix here, let me see. Where was that? Okay, so here we are on Netflix. We've had this really nice uptrend line that started back here. This is 200 days of action we're looking at, almost a year on Netflix. So here's where it started. There's a bounce, a couple bounces there, a bounce there, and here we are. Friday's low hit that right there, and as you can see, we had a hammer on Friday, and then today I'm sorry, that last candle, I'm getting my days really mixed up. I'm a little under the weather, forgive me. So Monday's action, okay, hammered. Okay, we hammered on Monday. Then Tuesday we closed over the hammer's high. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. So here's that hammer right here, and then today we closed over the previous day's high. Okay, to me that looks like a nice little reversal signal here, at least in the short term. What I don't like long term on Netflix is we had this resistance. You can clearly see it's a really nice level of resistance. We broke over it right here, and then we broke right back under it right there. Okay, to me, that's not a great look. This is a false breakout. We broke over that resistance and then broke back under. We also broke this trend line right here. As you can see, boom. Look at how many bounces right there in that short amount of time. We broke that trend line. So do I think that we can head higher in the short term? Yes, but just keep in mind, we're going to have resistance above us. Okay, we're going to have resistance above us. Earnings are coming up. Last earnings, we gapped down pretty big, and we didn't. We only headed lower and kind of sideways since then. So to me, it's got a lot of work to do. It's got to prove itself that it wants to remain in an uptrend once again. So next, we're going to look at Google. In Google here, I'm going to go back to this action. I'm going to move out of the way a little bit. And what I want to point out is we've got this nice uptrend that we're at right now. And it started back here. There's a bounce. And look at where we're at right now, right against that trend line right here. Started there, several bounces here. And here we are. Monday's action clearly bounced off of it. Today's action confirming that we're looking for a bounce. The most ideal action would be a close over the previous day's high. That's what we're kind of looking at for Google. So that's a level here that I think could get a bounce. We also have somewhat of a another falling wedge or falling channel right here. You can see right there we've been trading sideways and down in this channel. And this is just how trends work. You know, we trend up, and we trade sideways, trend up, trade a little bit down, trade up, and then trade a little sideways and down. Most likely I see us bouncing from around this level on Google. If it breaks this trend line, then we can potentially look at shorts. But right now we're still in that bull zone. So next one we're going to look at is Apple. And Apple is really nice action today. What I want to point out is we had, this isn't a major uptrend. Okay, major uptrend. We're just a few bucks away from the all-time highs. Okay, nothing bearish about that. Of course, can it get bearish from here? Yes, but right now, got nothing to worry about. We bounced at the nearest support. We didn't break any supports. So here's that near support. It was previous resistance right there. Several days in a row, and we came back down, hit that level, and bounced, hammered off of it on Monday, and then closed over the previous day's high on Tuesday. That's bullish. Most likely, we're going to continue getting bounces at this level. The next one we're going to take a look at is Amazon. Amazon is a little bit different, but still doing okay nonetheless. So we've got some support that we bounced at right about there. You can see it was previous resistance there, turn into support there, turn into support right there. And then you can clearly see on Friday, the low of the day hit that level. Monday, we tried to break below, but ended up closing right above it. Today, we ended up trading sideways right against it and closing green against it as well. So definitely looking like it wants to see bounces from this level. If it breaks this level and closes below about 1850, then we can look at potentially short trades. But as it stands right now, we're bouncing right where we should. We've got this lower trend line as support too. If you look right about there, and here we are bouncing off of it. Boom, 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 boom. Here we are once again against that support and that lower trend line. So as it stands right now, Amazon is still all clear. Which brings me to my next question. Are you unhappy with your results in the stock market? Be honest with yourself, okay? Are you unhappy with your results? Do you want to get better results? And are you sick and tired of watching the stock market boom while you've got nothing to show for it? Okay? Really think about that, all right? Because I want to let you know that it doesn't have to be that way. It really doesn't have to be that way. And how you can change that is by getting access to our easy to follow real-time trade alerts. The market has been down the last couple of weeks. And meanwhile, we are in the green here at the trading analyst for our trades, okay? That mostly surrounds around our position sizing, as well as our ability to change our bias on a dime. So when the market heads lower, we don't hang on to our bullish bias for very long. We change our opinion with the market. We trade with the market and not against it. Okay, so we're in the green. A lot of people are in the red this week, but we are not. And these easy to follow real-time trade alerts are always pre-researched by me, so you can always count on that. And these are both buy and sell alerts via text message. So you can trade from anywhere. If you got a full-time job, a part-time job, all you need is your cell phone and you're going to be able to participate in these trades. And these are exact entry and exit parameters given in real time. So when I'm buying something, I'm sending you a text message in real time. When I'm selling something, I'm sending you a text message in real time. So you know exactly what to do and when to do it. And this is going to allow you to start making money in the market right now. Okay, you don't have to worry about a big down week in the market because we were profitable the last couple weeks. We were profitable, and that's because we have a proven system that works in both up and down markets. And you're going to get access to that when you sign up and join today. And this is going to save you time too, because right now what you're probably doing is going over a bunch of charts, analysis, maybe watching CNBC or reading news articles, anything under the sun. But at the end of the day, it's not producing any results for you. Okay, maybe you make a winning trade here or there, but at the end of the day, you know, you're losing money. Okay, it's about consistency. Okay, that's what it's about. It's not about making one winning trade or two winning trades. It's about growing your account week by week, month after month, year after year. And the way you do that is by having a proven process, a proven system. So it's going to save you time because you're not going to have to spend time doing that analysis and research, which wasn't fruitful anyways because you ended up losing anyway. So you're not going to have to do that anymore because we do that for you. We're professionals and this is what we do for a living. And this is going to allow you to trade from anywhere. Again, if you have a full-time job, part-time job, you're in school, you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, whatever. All you have to do is have your cell phone and you're going to be able to participate in these trades. You can do it on the road, from the office, anywhere. The goals here are 8 to 10 winning trades per month. You know, sometimes we have more than 10 winning trades per month. Like this month in particular, we're going to have more than 10 winning trades. Sometimes we have less than 8 winning trades per month, and it kind of just depends on the market conditions. When we see a lot of opportunity, we take a lot of quality trades. When we don't see a lot of opportunity, maybe the market is very choppy, we scale it back, and we don't like to trade a lot during those times because we like to keep our gains. We focus on quality, not quantity. So if you're looking for a bunch of trades just to trade, then you should sign up with a different service because that's just gambling, and we don't gamble. We focus on quality, and that's how you grow your account on a consistent basis. The other goal here is 100% to 500% returns per trade, and we're able to achieve those gains mostly because we trade mostly options. So these types of gains happen all the time for us. Again, we trade some stocks. About 80% of our trades are options, about 20% are stocks, but most of the trades are options. The next goal here is $100,000 in annual returns for you, and these types of returns are very realistic when you're making the kinds of trades that we're making on a regular basis. And you're not just getting these real-time trade alerts. These real-time trade alerts are valued at $2,997. You're also getting our options masterclass. We have a simplified approach to options that's not only simple and easy to learn, but it's very, very profitable. And you're going to know that when you join and you get access to the options masterclass. That's valued at $997. You're also getting access to the exclusive Millionaire Trader videos so you can get inside the head of a profitable trader. These videos are updated weekly here, so you can get inside the action of what's happening right now in the market. We also cover educational topics, what's going on in the market at the moment, trade reviews. You know, it's all about learning and giving you an opportunity to learn because we never want the learning to stop here. That's valued at $997. You're also getting, and this is very important, guys, access to the professional trading watch list. And, a lot of people think that they're traders, but they're not. And, honestly, one of the biggest things that separates profitable traders from unsuccessful losing traders is a very simple thing, and that is watch lists. And that's having a plan of action every single day. And beyond that, it's about sticking to that plan and having the discipline to stick to that plan. So you have to have these trading watch lists. You have to come prepared every single day to make money in the market, because if you're not coming with a plan of action, then you're just gambling and you're guessing and you're likely losing money. So these are valued at $597, bringing it to a total value of $5,588. And you can get started today for only $699. This is a special limited time offer that we have going on right now. One payment of $699, that's going to give you instant access for the entire year, 12 months of access. You're not going to have to pay the $5,588. It's just one payment of $699 and you get a year access. And I want to put that, I'm going to put my face out of the way here so you can see this. And I want to put this into perspective. So if you break it down into a monthly rate, again, it is just a one-time payment of $699. But if you break it down into what it costs per month, it's $58 per month. And that's cheaper than a cell phone bill. Okay, cheaper than a cell phone bill. I don't know about you. My cell phone bill with me and my wife is almost $200 every single month. And then if you break it down to a daily rate, it's $1.90 a day, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Okay, Starbucks coffees are, $3, $4, $5 even, So for less than the price of a cup of coffee a day, you're going to get access to our winning trades, our proven process, our educational material, and everything that I talked about today for less than the price of a cup of coffee. And the difference between, a cell phone bill and a coffee is that once you pay your cell phone bill and you pay for your coffee, you don't see any money in return. Okay, you just throw that money out there. And of course, you get some value from the cell phone and the coffee. The coffee's yummy. But what it's not doing is it's not an investment, and it's not giving you a return on your investment. But you want to know what is? It is the Trading Analyst Premium membership is going to give you a return on your investment. And I want to warn you guys that this is a special offer, and it is ending soon. Okay? If you visit the page and it says sold out on the page, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and you're not going to be able to join. And by waiting to register, you risk losing your spot. Okay, once the capacity is met, that's it. 0 people will be let in. Okay, we have to limit the amount of people that we can let in because I'm investing my personal time and attention to each individual member, and I hope that you would want the utmost attention for your trading and your account. And we're talking about real money here. And that's why I have to limit the amount of people that can be let in because I can't just help a million people out there. I need to be able to focus on not only giving you guys the best trade alerts and research and analysis, but also helping you guys along the way as well. So that's why we have to limit it. And I want to tell you that when you join, I'm going to move my face out of the way. When you join, you're no longer going to have to struggle to make money in the market. Okay, the market was down here last 2 weeks. We're making money. A lot of people are losing money. We are not. And you're no longer going to have to wonder what it's like to be profitable on a consistent basis in the stock market. All right, and you're no longer going to have to watch as the stock market booms while you get 0 results. All right. And I want to assure you that you've come to the right place because plain and simple, we help struggling traders get results. We help people start from 0 results, from scratch, no matter where you are in your trading journey, to now many of our members are making 6 figures annually from our trade alerts. All right, guys. And again, for the price of a coffee a day, you can make daily profits like this. Okay, these are just a few of my recent gains for the day. You know, 800 bucks, 1900 bucks, 72 bucks, 1700 bucks, almost $3,000, almost 500 bucks right there. And these, you're getting instant access to all of my trades. So if you want to make profits like this, like I'm making, then you got to join. Again, it's a limited time offer for this rate at $6.99 for the year. And also we only have a limited amount of spots because again, I'm investing my personal time and attention to each member. So if you want to make trades like this, you have to join today. All right. So here's what I want you to do right now. All right. I'm going to move my face out of the way once again. So here's what I want you to do right now. Okay. Below this video, fill out the registration form. Then you're going to be able to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video. You know, a lot of members or a lot of services out there, they just have you sign up and they slap you on the butt and send you on your merry way and hope that you have success. We don't do that. We have a full welcome series videos to help you have the most chance for success. All right. And you're going to get instant access to that when you sign up and join today. You're also getting, you can get started with the training material right away, the options masterclass, as well as, I didn't even mention it previously, but we have a full library, almost 30 videos of educational material that you're going to get access to when you join today. And you can get started with that right away. You do not have to wait. And then all you have to do is get ready for the trade alerts. Again, they're sent out via text message. You can trade from anywhere. So do not wait another second to sign up, guys. Okay. So now just scroll below this video and you're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up today. And just keep scrolling. And again, you're going to get access to the full educational suite as well when you sign up. And just scroll down here and press this button, add to cart at 85% off. Again, this is a special limited time offer. Click that button and you're going to be taken immediately to the 100% secure checkout page. And then all you have to do is enter in your first name, your email, choose your password, and then enter in your mobile phone number. This is for the text alerts. For the buy and sell alerts, so be sure to enter in a valid phone number that you receive texts on. And then all you have to do is enter in your billing information below, and then from there you just click, right before you click the submit order button, just click that I agree with the terms of service button right there, submit your order, and you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about today. If you want to check out with PayPal, you can do that by clicking this button. You won't need to fill out your billing information there because you can do it through PayPal by clicking this button. I'm sure you know how it works. So, and that's it. So as soon as you do that, you're going to get instant access to the real-time trade alerts, and you're going to be able to get gains like I'm getting. You're getting instant access to every single trade that I make in real time, both buy and sell alerts with precise entry and exit parameters, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it, making your job as a trader way easier. So I look forward to seeing you in there and helping you grow your account on a consistent basis, month after month, year after year. I will see you in there.